Greetings of peace, my dear friends. Happy feast day of the presentation of the Lord. Question and answer number 8, taken from the book titled Youth Catechism of the Catholic Church. First, let's define what is meant by Old Testament. Old Testament, from the Latin word testamentum, means covenant, will. The first part of the complete Bible and the sacred scripture of the Jews. The Old Testament of the Catholic Church includes 46 books, historical writings, prophetical writings, and wisdom literature with the Psalms. Historical books: Genesis, Exodus, Leviticus, Numbers, Deuteronomy, Joshua, Judges, Ruth, 1-2 Samuel, 1-2 Kings, 1-2 Chronicles, Ezra, Nehemiah, Tobit, Judith, Esther, 1 and 2, Maccabees. The wisdom books: Psalms, Job, Proverbs, Ecclesiastes, Song of Songs, Wisdom, Sirach, or Ecclesiasticus. The prophets: Isaiah, Jeremiah, Lamentations, Baruch, Ezekiel, Daniel, Hosea, Joel, Amos, Obadiah, Jonah, Micah, Nahum, Habakkuk, Zephaniah, Haggai, Zechariah, Malachi. Question: how does God reveal Himself in the Old Testament? Answer: God shows Himself in the Old Testament as God who created the world out of love and remains faithful to men even when they have fallen away from Him into sin. God makes it possible to experience Him in history. With Noah, He establishes a covenant to save all living things. He calls Abraham so as to make him the father of a multitude of nations, Genesis 17 verse 5b, and to bless all the families of the earth in him, Genesis 12 verse 3b. The people of Israel, sprung from Abraham, becomes his special possession. To Moses, he introduces himself by name. His mysterious name, Yahweh, which means I am who am, Exodus 3 verse 14. He frees Israel from slavery in Egypt. He establishes a covenant with them on Sinai, and through Moses gives them the law. Again and again, God sends prophets to His people to call them to conversion and to the renewal of the covenant. The prophets proclaim that God will establish a new and everlasting covenant which will bring about a radical renewal and definitive redemption. This covenant will be open to all human beings. Thus, a doctor of the church, the most important writer and theologian of the early church, Saint Augustine said, "We cannot talk about God, but woe to the one who remains silent about Him." God bless you.